Tom stood outside a small company. He looked at the big glass door. Today was his job interview. His hands were shaking. He had only one chance. Tom took a deep breath. Then his phone rang. It was his best friend, Jack. "Tom, where are you?" "I am outside the company." "Good luck, Tom." Tom smiled. But then he saw something. A wallet was lying on the ground. He picked it up. There was money inside. A lot of money. Tom looked around. Nobody was there. Then he saw an ID card. The wallet belonged to the company manager. Tom had a choice. He could keep the money. Or he could return the wallet. He looked at the company door. Then he looked at the wallet. Tom opened the wallet again. He saw several $100s. His eyes became wide. "That is a lot of money," he whispered. He needed money badly. His mother was sick. Their house needed repairs. He also needed a new laptop. The money could solve many problems. Tom looked at the company door again. He thought about his interview. Then he closed the wallet. "I cannot keep this." Tom made his choice. He would return the wallet. But he did not know. This choice would change his life. Tom walked into the building. A receptionist looked at him. "Can I help you?" "Yes," Tom said. "I have an interview today." "Your name?" "Tom Miller." The receptionist checked her computer. "Yes." "Please wait here." Tom sat down. He looked at the wallet. He felt nervous. A few minutes later, a tall man came into the room. He looked worried. "Excuse me," the man said. "Did anyone find my wallet?" Tom stood up. "Is this your wallet?" The man looked surprised. "Yes." The man opened the wallet. Everything was still there. His money. His cards. His ID. "Thank you," he said. Tom smiled. It was no problem. The man looked at Tom carefully. "Are you here for an interview?" "Yes." "What job?" "Assistant manager." The man smiled. "I see." Tom did not know. This man was the company owner. His name was Mr. Brown. "Please come with me," Mr. Brown said. Tom followed him. They entered a large office. Tom sat down. Mr. Brown sat across from him. "Tell me about yourself." Tom spoke slowly. "I work hard. I learn quickly. And I always try to be honest." Mr. Brown smiled. "Why is honesty important?" Tom thought for a moment. "Because trust is important." Mr. Brown nodded. Then he asked more questions. Tom answered honestly. He did not pretend to know everything. He simply told the truth. Then Mr. Brown asked one question. "Tom, what is your biggest weakness?" Tom became quiet. He could give a perfect answer. But he decided to be honest. "Sometimes I lose confidence. I think I am not good enough. But I am working on it." Mr. Brown smiled. "That is a good answer." Tom looked surprised. "Really?" "Yes. Because you told me the truth." Tom smiled. The interview continued. After 30 minutes, it was over. Tom walked outside. He sat on a bench. He looked at his phone. No message. He waited. 10 minutes passed. Then 20 minutes. Tom started thinking. Maybe I did not get the job. He looked down. His mother was waiting for good news. Tom wanted to help her. Then his phone rang. It was Mr. Brown. Tom? Yes? Can you come back inside? Tom stood up quickly. Of course. His heart started beating faster. Tom returned to the office. Mr. Brown was waiting. Tom, I want to tell you something. Tom listened carefully. You did not just return my wallet. You showed me your character. Tom looked confused. Mr. Brown continued. This company needs people we can trust. Tom smiled. So, did I get the job? Mr. Brown smiled. Yes, Tom. You got the job. Tom could not believe it. Thank you. But Mr. Brown was not finished. Mr. Brown gave Tom another paper. Tom, this is your starting salary. Tom looked at it. His eyes became wide. The salary was much higher than expected. Sir, this is too much. Mr. Brown smiled. You earned it. Tom looked down. He remembered the wallet. If he had kept the money, he would never be sitting here. One small choice had opened a new door. Tom left the company. He walked home slowly. But his steps felt different. He felt lighter. He felt proud. He called his mother. Mom? Yes, Tom. I got the job. There was silence. Then his mother started crying. Are you serious? Yes. We can fix the house now. Tom smiled. His eyes became wet. I will work hard, Mom. I promise. The next Monday was Tom's first day. He arrived early. Very early. The office was almost empty. Tom sat at his desk. He opened his notebook. He wrote 3 words. Work. Learn. Improve. Then Mr. Brown walked past him. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, sir. You are early. Tom smiled. I want to learn. Mr. Brown nodded. That is exactly what I want. Tom worked hard. But his first week was not perfect. One morning, he made a mistake. He sent the wrong file to a client. Tom became worried. He thought about hiding it. But then he remembered the wallet. He went to Mr. Brown. Sir, I made a mistake. Mr. Brown looked at him. What happened? Tom explained everything. Mr. Brown stayed quiet. Then he said, Thank you for telling me. Mr. Brown did not shout. He gave Tom a lesson. Everyone makes mistakes. But not everyone tells the truth. Tom listened carefully. Remember this, Tom. A mistake can teach you. A lie can destroy trust. Tom nodded. I understand. From that day, Tom became more careful. He checked his work twice. He asked questions. He learned every day. 6 months passed. Tom was different. He was more confident. He worked hard every day. His skills improved. His manager trusted him. One morning, Mr. Brown called Tom. Tom, I have good news. Tom smiled. What is it? You are getting a promotion. Tom became silent. Me? Yes, you. You worked for it. Tom smiled. He remembered that wallet again. That evening, Tom went home. He looked at the old house. The house was finally repaired. His mother smiled. You changed our lives. Tom shook his head. No, Mom. One choice changed everything. His mother looked at him. What choice? Tom smiled. The choice to do the right thing. Let's review 3 important words. First, choice. A choice means a decision. Example. I made a good choice. Second, honest. Honest means telling the truth. Example. Tom was honest. Third, trust. Trust means believing someone. Example. Mr. Brown trusted Tom. Now say them again. Choice. Honest. Trust. These 3 words are important. But imagine something different. What if Tom kept the wallet? He would get the money. Maybe he would feel happy. Maybe he would solve his problems. But he would lose something important. Trust. He would also lose the job. One wrong choice could change his life too. The wallet was valuable. But honesty was more valuable. The money could help Tom for some time. But trust could help him for years. That day, Tom learned something important. Small choices matter. Very small choices. A choice today can change tomorrow. Now it is your turn. Imagine you find a wallet. There is a lot of money inside. Nobody is watching you. What would you do? Would you keep it? Or would you return it? Think about your answer. There is no need to answer quickly. Think carefully. Now, answer 3 questions. Question 1. Why did Tom return the wallet? Pause the video. Think about it. Question 2. Who owned the wallet? Pause again. Think about it. Question 3. What changed Tom's life? His job? His money? Or his choice? Think carefully. The answer is simple. Tom returned the wallet. The wallet belonged to Mr. Brown. And Tom's choice changed his life. He chose honesty. He chose to do the right thing. And that choice gave him a new future. Remember this sentence. One good choice can change everything. Say it again. Life gives us many choices. Some choices are easy. Some choices are difficult. Sometimes nobody is watching. That is when our character matters. Do the right thing. Even when it is difficult. Be honest. Work hard. Keep learning. And remember Tom. One small choice changed everything. If you enjoyed this story, listen to it one more time. Try to understand every sentence. Repeat the sentences aloud. This is great English listening practice for beginners. It can also improve your English listening comprehension. And if you want more English listening and speaking practice, keep learning with us. Now tell me in the comments. What would you do with the wallet? Would you keep it? Or would you return it? Write your answer below. Next choice may change everything.